And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again, the guy with the same sweater I wear. This time I got two sweaters. It was cold out today. We had a small little snowstorm come up the east coast or whatever and blast us with a whole bunch of snow. Actually, it's nice and warm in here. It's about -1, which is perfectly fine for me. I can stay in -1 weather. It's a little hard on the air tools because when you use air tools it blows freezing cold air at you, but you know, don't mind the fat neck here. But I'm going to show you this tool I bought, which it's on my list of machines that I want to take apart and just respray and paint, but I bought it for a reason, which I will tell you probably later in the video. So yeah, check this out. This is as far as I know, it's a Peck, Stow Wilcox number 545. I think it is. I think this turns. I'm gonna open this up a little so I can spin it around. See, I think it spins around. Maybe. But anyway, it's an awesome little tool. See, you can. I think it's a bead roller. I'm not sure. I know I do have another bead roller over there, but it's either a seam thing to run a seam. It needs a new handle here, which that shouldn't be too hard. This looks like it's been bent, so I'm not really sure what's going on here, because I'll show you. There's a screw on here, which seems to be pretty cool, but if you look at it, I'll show you up close. Show you up close so I don't drop it on the floor. This has kind of a wild little bend on the top, so I think it should be more. I'm going to heat it up and it should be a little higher instead of bent down. I guess somebody dropped it on the floor and bent the screw, but I think it does the job just enough. See, I don't know if I got a piece of metal I can run through here. Must got a piece of sheet metal on here somewhere. Piece of shit metal somewhere. Come on, Chris. You always got metal over there. And we do have scrap metal. I don't know how well this is gonna work, but hey, look, there we go. Let's see. Might wanna do a little here, and then oh, that's cool. So anyway, on a really shitty piece of metal, it does kind of a job. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's the crease tin or what, but obviously this thing's not. It wasn't made to do on a scrap piece of metal like this, clearly. So, but it does Peck, Stow, and Wilcox. I know Peck, Stow, and Wilcox were 4 companies, and then they all got bought out. And Peck, Stow, and Wilcox, it was Peck. It was Peck, Stow, and Wilcox, and now it's just Peck, Stow, and then they all got. I don't know. One of them got bought out, and the other one got bought out. Let's see if I can do something else on here. Wavy gravy here. Oh, it's stuck. I got it stuck. Yeah, let's try this way. Let's try with the scrap piece. No way. Yeah, we'll just run it through here. Watch this. Here we go. Get it kind of straight in there. So yeah, I think it does a little. See, it's actually pretty cool. It does just that. Bends it down. So yeah, see, could do a nice little edge on it somewhere. But anyway, I picked it up from a guy in Vermont. I would like to repaint it. It's in good shape. It needs some TLC. Like I said, the handle looks original, but this part is a little sloppy. It needs a new bolt, I guess. Yeah. I think that either the bolt on the end came off here, but I don't know. I gotta fix that. This needs to be heated up and bent this way, because if you look at it, it's almost touching the bolt right here. It needs to be heated and bent. The body looks in great shape. Came with the stand. I have a Niagara bead roller over there on the floor with a bunch of beads too, but I'll get that another time. But anyway, I thought I'd show you this. I bought this for a reason, and one reason only. And knowing me, I'll probably end up using it once and flipping it, or clean it up first and flip it. Paid $100 for this and the other one. I think it was $100 around there. And look, I got a nice piece of metal stuck to my shirt. So yeah, it does that. It's pretty cool. I'm not a expert metalsmith, but I know when people carve lines and pans like that, yeah, it's money in the bank for somebody. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.